Yeah, hey everybody. This is Ian from mindfulmarketplace.com. And in this really short video, I'm going to answer a couple questions actually that have come up in the last couple of weeks from those of you who are building marketplaces, especially those of you who are using WordPress, something like the Vendify theme or any of the various Woocommerce extensions, which allow you to create a multi-vendor style marketplace. So I see a trend of folks who are now moving to Sharetribe. This is Sharetribe here. Sharetribe is a software as a service solution that does all this stuff for you, so you're not coding or programming or using things from Woocommerce or otherwise. All this is actually native to the Sharetribe platform. It's essentially what they do rather than modifying WordPress to do what you want it to do, which is in, many people's cases, build a multi-vendor marketplace. So the question that has come up from some of my clients who are now doing this and actually having, quite enthusiastic and excited experiences thus far with Sharetribe is, can you sell products on your Sharetribe store or on your Sharetribe marketplace? So as a quick caveat, those of you who know my own system for building a marketplace, it's using and leveraging affiliates or partnerships and affiliate links to really monetize your platform quite quickly. So how you would do that on WordPress would be using the external product type, which is a native native WooCommerce product type from the drop-down menu they offer. I've done many videos on this. I'll do another one if those of you who are new to that idea would like to see that. But essentially, all you're doing is selecting external product type from the options, and then you're simply putting in your affiliate link, right? To that product or program or service, and whenever a conversion happens, you're going to get paid by dint of that transaction being tracked. All right. So unfortunately, Sharetribe does not allow you to do that. You can't sell products on their marketplace. Therefore, by extension, you can't send traffic externally to an outside URL, let's say one of your members' URLs, and get credit for a booking or a product sale or a course sale. These are things that we're encountering in our own marketplace because we're helping folks sell courses and their own services. You can, and I prefer to do that actually using the external product type on WooCommerce. If you're using Sharetribe, you're going to be doing that all in-house on your own platform, right? So you're charging a fee for the transaction rather than sending your visitor to an external URL where on a transaction you get a commission. So what I want to do really quickly to wrap this up is just show you how one very successful Sharetribe community does this now. So this is StudioTime.io. I've actually done a couple of videos on this in the last couple of years watching this particular platform evolve. And they've done some phenomenal things. The guy who's behind this studio and behind this platform is quite a smart marketing mind. He's done some very cool and creative things, good writer as well. But Studio Time is great. And it's, I'm not really interested in the studio renting process, but I am interested in the marketing magic behind a platform like this. So, you can see they're actually using the Sharetribe Flex platform, which is more, it's more sophisticated than the basic Sharetribe Go, but it's all very cool. It looks very pretty. But, you'll see that there's no way of buying products on this platform, right? So it's a very Airbnb-like experience, as you can see. It's very cool. It's very pretty. It's aesthetically quite pleasing, but you can't buy any products on here, which is a great way of earning your commission. So what they've done here, this is what I'd recommend you do as well, is shop StudioTime store. Well, all they're doing is providing an external link here to a Shopify store which you can see here. You can buy hats, t-shirts, etc. I'm sure this is not a significant, revenue source for them. They only have a couple T-shirts and a hat, which ain't all that attractive to me anyway. But artist collaborations coming soon, whatever that means, I don't know. But I'm sure some affiliate or partnership related pieces of their platform are coming. And as you can see here, Studio Time is powered by Shopify on the shop subdomain. You could obviously do this equally as effectively using something like Woocommerce. And then, so you're not using Shopify at that point, you're using Woocommerce. And then you could very simply use the little trick I was telling you before, which is making these products external, like affiliate product links to your members, external stores, and then getting a fee every time someone clicked on this. Or instead of add to cart, you would have go to or buy this Studio Time artist T-shirt, and you would go to an external URL. This would be a tracking link, and you would get paid again by a dint of the transaction on the vendor side, which would be, let's say in our theoretical example, like let's say it was me and I was selling this T-shirt. On click, instead of add to cart, it would be visit Ian's site to buy Ian's T-shirt, and if a transaction occurred or took place, there would be some third-party tracking script, an affiliate tracking script, let's say Gumroad or something like Podia, where you would be credited with that sale. So again, the short approach to this is, use Sharetribe, right, to build the marketplace piece of your platform. If you want a very seamless and sexy, thing happening behind the scenes where you're not wrangling with code, you're not buying WooCommerce extensions, you're not adding some multi-vendor plugin that's a pain in the ass to manage or use. All of this is going to be done on the Sharetribe platform itself, right? You have to do nothing other than set the thing up, and by immediate automatic magic, you are able to, accept bookings, accept payments, accept, for your members, and et cetera, et cetera. I'm saying way too much here. Just go use the link in my description if you want. You can go right to Sharetribe directly. The link is my affiliate link. If you go to Sharetribe directly, it's the same thing. But if you use my affiliate link, I'll give you a free consultation on monetizing your platform. All right. So if you have any questions on this, feel free to ask. And again, in this case, using something like a collaborative subdomain with some other e-commerce software, in this case, Shopify, WooCommerce, Squarespace, it matters not. They'll all do the same thing. You can integrate both an affiliate/store into a one URL, one domain, where you're also building a marketplace like he's doing here. All right, hope that helps. If you have any questions, I know I said a lot. I'm talking fast only because I'm trying to really reduce the the overall time that these videos that I'm recording take, because I tend to, as you can see, be overly verbose. Okie doke. If you have any questions, as always, feel free